Good morning, everyone. Aja here from Pandamonium. A lot going on this morning because everybody is packing up. This is the last day of this base camp. We're getting ready to all move to Yuma, so I'm excited. Yay! We're just gonna go down there until the RTR and hang out there. So we are cleaning up a little bit before we get out of here and packing up. Wow, there's a lot of people already ready to go. I got a little bit of a late start this morning. There's Puddin', he's all packed up. Granny Joe's going with us. There's Camper Van Kevin, he's putting on his tracker. Hey, honey.
Hey, honey. Oh, God.
So you coming with?
You? No.
Oh, you're not? I thought you were.
No.
Oh, okay.
I've got a newbie.
All right.
And I promised her, and she wants to go to the LTV.
Okay.
So we're going to do some
I think there's a couple of people going to the LTV.
Quite a few.
People just conversating before we get going. I don't think we're leaving right this second.
Okay, do we all know that I'm accident prone?
Yes. Okay, girl, don't you be crashing.
Does this have live?
No, it doesn't. So please be careful.
You're a nurse.
Yes, he is.
So do I get any instruction, or do you want me to just take
Just
off?
go. It's like riding a bike. Has anybody ever pushed you on a bike before? Well, it's like one of those. So.
Oh, so it's like takes off automatically as you go?
Ah, this is not a good match.
And once you get going, you can stop pedaling, it's not a
Good
drive.
match. Everyone move. Yeah, where's the brake?
Right there, you got it.
I went the whole way down the road.
This is not a bike. This is an electric bike. This is a motorcycle.
No, it's. You should.
Not a good match. I'm so glad I tried it.
Okay, well, thank you for riding my bike.
Oh, this is not the Chariot for me, man.
Well, you know, I did have it on 5, which is pretty high. I could have turned it down. Yeah, it's like riding a bicycle and someone pushes you.
Yeah, that's what I mean. That first initial takeoff, you don't expect it. An electric bicycle. Look at a smile on his face. He's like a big kid.
That's amazing!
Look how happy you look. Little kid, you're getting one, aren't
Would you trade this for my motorcycle?
No. Thank you for the offer, though. I appreciate it. I should have been like, there goes RV Joey. She just stole my bike.
How are you?
Isn't it make it so easy to ride, though?
You just don't know when it's going to kick in. That's the whole thing. It's
Right.
kind of like a
Well,
riding.
well, see, like right here, this is just throttle right there. So
What's a throttle?
that means you don't have to pedal. You don't have to pedal. It's throttle. Do what now?
You could put a basket up front.
I already beat you to that. I got a basket. I bought one yesterday. Oh, tell you on what? That?
Could you tow me on a little, like, you know, where I get to sit in the back?
Oh yeah, a guy actually had one that was here. He had one of those trailers on a bike trailer. Yeah.
I'll get the trailer and you tow me, okay?
Okay.
Wouldn't that be great? So that's why I asked, could it tow like 250 pounds?
Yeah, it can.
Cool.
So are you staying behind?
I'm gonna go where you guys are going.
No, I know that, but you're staying behind for a day. Someone told me so you can take off some of so you can take off the free pile or something. Yeah, we're almost cleaned up, so you're just gonna take off this last remaining stuff, right? To Goodwill.
Cable.
Oh, awesome.
And if I can't find something like that, then I'm just gonna bring it with us.
Okay, cool. All right. Thank you. We'll see you there. Y'all packing up the table?
Yeah.
Are y'all ready to go to a new location?
Yeah.
I'm gonna need y'all to be a little more excited.
Yay!
Ross is gonna stay here one more night. He's parking by the free pile. That way he can take it off with him. I think he's getting ready to go ahead and load it up, but yeah, he's also by the fire pit. How are we this morning?
Good, just packing up.
Good. Are you ready to go? Are you excited?
I am so excited and I'm ready
Me too.
to blow this joint out. I like it here. I just, ready to go.
Well, we're going to a totally new casino, so.
Nude?
No, nude.
Totally nude casino. I'm all for that.
Well, we just can't bring the kids.
You're right. Oh, well, yeah, they can stay home with Dad.
Now, why couldn't I have got that on film? Your face when he honked his horn.
Scared the absolute dew out of me.
He's got a train horn on there.
It sounds like an air horn from a semi-truck.
Right.
Oh, yeah, that was crazy.
So it is definitely starting to clear out. This side of base camp is totally empty.
Online and then hang out with some of the
Say hello. Hello, sniff butt. Kaiser's nope, that's my lovin'. Why are you doing Wandering Jimmy instead of oh, so she's everybody. She was Wandering Kelly, Caravan Kelly, Pandamonium, Kelly Doyle, and RV Kelly. You're just everybody.
She's trying to steal our names.
Let me go ahead and fix that too, so. Oh, here she comes.
All right, what are you doing?
Okay, all right, so Kelly's actually staying behind, but we're not gonna be gone that long, so. All right, and Sophie too. Yes. All right, bye, give me hugsies.
I'm gonna miss you guys.
I'm gonna miss you too. And yes, you too. I'm gonna miss you too, Sophiness.
You guys all bring your cameras when I'm just, like the first time I roll out without being like complete, I'm in my pajamas halfway. And all these cameras.
We had to,
Sophie Doyle.
hey, we had to fix your back there.
What did you think?
It's not Kelly. Kelly's not everyone anymore. Now
Where
it's.
am I?
It's no more wandering.
Kelly.
Yeah, I know. Except she hasn't fixed that one yet.
Okay.
Oh no, but see, Joey already put.
Sophie.
Oh yeah, but see, look, Joey already did hers
Yeah.
too.
She signed it.
I know.
I can't clean it now.
Okay, so Kelly's trying to be everybody, so we all scratched her name out and fixed it, so you're gonna have to fix it. It can't be
Wandering Kelly, Jimmy Caravan Kelly, Pandamonium. Oh!
Yeah, see, it was Kellamonium. Is yes. Get it, girl. Fix it.
Who did that?
There you go. There you go. Sophie's like, oh, I want to do too.
Like that at all.
She's like, no.
This is spicy, honey. You can't have it. I'm so sorry.
So there you go. Everything. So yeah, everything is right in the world now.
Trying to cover you. I was covering you.
This is how brother and sister acts. But they're not really brother and sister though, but they act like brother and sister. Well, y'all be careful. See you on the road somewhere.
Thank you. You too.
Bye.
Be safe.
I know I have to pack up my stuff and get to the laundry mall, so yeah, let's get to that.
Hi, Aja. I'm Sam from Texas. Onward Bound.
In the sky. Ooh. That would be.
She's like, what do you got there, sir?
Oh, she takes it so sweet.
Yeah, she's not aggressive at all. Thank you so much.
You're more than welcome.
So what was your name?
My name is Ken Holmes.
In the sky.